Good morning, everyone. Today we will study chapter 5, that is the Southern Plateau. A plateau is raised stretch of land that is flat at the top. It resembles a tabletop, hence it is also known as tableland. The Southern Plateau is triangular in shape and lies to the south of Narmada River. The states which lie in this region are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and the eastern parts of Kerala and Odisha. The Southern Plateau is surrounded by hills. To the northwest of the plateau lies the Aravani Hills. The Rajmahal Hills are to the northeast. The Western Ghats are in the west, and the Eastern Ghat lies in the east. The Nilgiri and the Cardamom Hills are towards the south. The rivers of this region are seasonal and are not very big since they are dependent on the rains. The river in this plateau forms waterfall. The Jog Falls in Karnataka is the highest waterfall in India. Narmada divides the huge plateau region into two parts, Central Highland in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. Now we will study about Central Highland. The Central Highlands are surrounded by the Aravani Hills, Vindhya Range and Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau lies in the center. The Satpura Range lies in between the Narmada and Tapi rivers. This region is rich in black soil that is good for growing cotton and sugarcane. The Chota Nagpur Plateau includes Jharkhand, northern Odisha and northeastern Chhattisgarh. This entire region is rich in valuable minerals such as coal, iron, manganese, bauxite and mica. Now Deccan Plateau. It lies to the south of the Satpura Range and extends up to the southern tip of peninsular India. Anaimodi is the highest peak of the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the western and the eastern Ghats, and both meet at the Nilgiri Hills. The Narmada and the Tapi are the only rivers that flow towards the west and fall into the Arabian Sea. The Godavari is the longest river in the Deccan Plateau. Life in the region. The Southern Plateau covers the following states. Madhya Pradesh. Now, the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal, you already know. Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur are some of the popular cities. The Kanha National Park and the Bandhavgarh National Park have been set up to protect the tigers. Panna is famous for diamond mines. Wheat and cotton are the main crops grown here. Now next state is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh lies to the south of Chota Nagpur Plateau. Its capital is Raipur. Bhilai steel plant is located in this state. The state is rich in mineral, coal, etc. Rice, linseed, betel and watermelon are grown here. Jharkhand. Jharkhand capital is Ranchi. It is rich in mineral and forest reserve. The Damodar river flows through the state. Jamshedpur, Bokaro are important industrial cities. Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. The Jagannath temple and the famous Rath Yatra attract many tourists. Odisha is famous for its textile and silver work. Rice and jute are the main crops. People speak Odia and Odissi is a popular classical dance form of the state. Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai. Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers. Farmers grow cotton, sugarcane, mangoes and oranges. The soil of Maharashtra is formed from the lava rocks, popularly called the black soil. Is ideal for growing cotton. People speak Marathi and Konkani. Lavani, a dance form, are popular here. Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital city. and it is famous as a center of information technology. Rivers Krishna, Tunga, Bhadra and the Kaveri flow through the state. Main occupation is farming. Farmers grow cotton, sugarcane, coffee and spices. Kannada is the main language spoken here. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The main occupation is farming here. Farmers grow rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane and groundnut. Main language spoken here are Telugu and Urdu. Kuchipudi is the popular dance form. Bidri work on brass and copper item is a speciality of this state as shown in the picture. Tirupati, which is a famous temple, is in Andhra Pradesh. The Charminar, Salarjung Museum and the Hussain Lake, Sagar Lake are the popular tourist spots in Hyderabad. Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu and the state is famous for the silk sarees. Farming is the main occupation here and farmers grow rice, sugarcane, cotton, tea and coffee are also grown here. Bharatnatyam is the traditional dance form. Tamil Nadu is the main language. Tamil is the main language of Tamil Nadu. So hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you.